Sony A6100 has emerged as the most cost-effective mirrorless camera of 2024, offering a myriad of features such as object tracking, 4K video capability, a flip screen, and more. These features make the Sony A6100 an ideal choice for budget-focused buyers seeking a compact yet powerful camera. The latest iteration of the A6100 boasts significant upgrades, including an improved touchscreen and an enhanced autofocus system. The camera's compact design doesn't compromise on its power, making it an exceptional choice for those seeking professional-grade features in a small package. A notable addition to the A6100 is its selfie-friendly monitor, which elevates self-portraits beyond what your smartphone can typically capture. The camera's design is reminiscent of the A6000, but with key enhancements that improve user experience. For instance, a deeper grip provides better control and security, making the A6100 feel familiar yet superior for those who've used the A6000. The Sony A6100 shines when it comes to focusing performance, with the introduction of subject tracking autofocus marking a significant leap from previous models. Although accessing the object tracking features requires some navigation through the settings, once enabled, it works seamlessly with the touchscreen, allowing you to tap and track subjects within the frame. The camera excels at maintaining sharp focus, regardless of the subject's movement within the frame. The eye autofocus function can be paired with the tracking function to effortlessly switch focus between the subject and the human eye when in close proximity, enhancing image sharpness. Sony's autofocus system continues to evolve with each new model, and the difference between the A6000 and A6100 is stark. If autofocus is a priority, upgrading to the A6100 is highly recommended. In terms of low-light performance, the A6100 does not disappoint. Its image quality is remarkable given the camera body's price point, producing sharp, vibrant images, particularly when paired with a high-quality lens. With a resolution of 24 megapixels, this camera delivers stunning images across various scenes. A significant upgrade in video quality is another standout feature of the A6100, now capable of shooting up to 4K 30p video, a substantial improvement over the A6000's HD limit. Thumbs